Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of American Machine Company located here in Alden, Nebraska. Today what we have for you is our Gen 2 style chain conveyor table. The Gen 2 style table is the most popular table in the industry. We've built it for several years. And specifically in this video we're going to go through the chain conveyor, the advantages. We've actually started building chain conveyor back in the 70s, all through the 80s. Real popular at the time. The whole philosophy behind it, guys, is let the framing station drive your line. So if the framer's powered, your other tables don't necessarily have to be powered. You can let this wall push your buffer zone, push your next table down line, your next buffer, and so forth. Let it drive your line instead of having the last table control your line. Drive it from the start in the table. Chain conveyor is quite simple. What exactly is going on here? We've got two main chains on the fixed side, one on this side, one on the opposite side, and the adjustable side of the Gen 2 system. You've got two dogs. We'll try and get a shot of this. There's two dogs on each chain, one at this end, one on the other end. They're actually both out of the way when you're framing and so forth. So after you have a wall built, you hit the start button. Actually comes on, pushes the wall off, takes it to the next station. Your conveyor station has a buffer zone or right into your sheeting scoring table, whatever you might have at the time. It's real simple, it's easy. One of the biggest advantages, the guys that are framing, let the chain conveyor do its job, push the wall offline, and these guys can go ahead and start getting ready and set up for the next wall. Let other things are happening simultaneously. Once again, this is the most popular table in the industry. We've got a wall framed off down here for you. Real quick, just to give you some idea of dimensions and so forth. We can do a table that'll, for a wall height of 9 feet, all the way out to 16 feet. This specific table is set up for 14 feet. So you've got that complete range. You've got a 60-foot table here. We can go as long as 80 foot, all the way down to 12 feet. So you've got quite a range. Whatever the floor plan is for your building, we can try and accommodate and work within your limitations. Okay, real quick here, I'm going to walk right over. You got real basic controls. You've got your standard features like skate wheel rollers for rolling on your components, your headers, your bucks, your door window openings. We also have pop-down flippers, tucks everything out of the way so you can roll the entire wall off. Okay, real quick, we'll run through this, and away we go. Actually, started the buttons, came right on down. It's rolling it unmanned. Does a nice job. You've actually got 2-inch steel rollers that the wall is actually rolling off on the top and bottom plates. You've also got inbound rollers. So you've got a little over 4 inches on each side that you can open up the table, on each side, mind you, to go ahead and move things off. Once again, this is the chain conveyor system for the Gen 2 table. If you have any questions, please call the factory at 1-800-568-7423. Thank you for your time.